There, it's Ashley from WTI. If you need a little movement in your life, then check this neck fan out from DesertWest. I live in such a hot and humid climate that I was really needing a powerful neck fan. I am so happy I found this one. It's great on the golf course or while doing yard work, playing with the kids. A few of my favorite features is the quad core hydraulic motors, which cools me down in seconds. It has continuous airflow up your face and your neck, plus it goes down the back of your neck. It's delivered by 8 air ducts. It charges fast and it lasts me all day. You also have the option to press the pause button, which can turn off the airflow to the back of your neck. That's a really nice feature if you're wanting the airflow more towards your face. I really enjoy the ability to fold this, not just for a compact way to store and carry, but you can also angle this towards your face while you are wearing it, and it's a huge benefit because it won't fall off your neck. Being able to be cooled down on a hot summer day makes being outside so enjoyable. My whole family uses this and loves it. It has a silicone back with a bendable design to easily maneuver on and off your neck. If you're thinking about getting a neck fan, then I highly recommend this one from DesertWest. And that's my point of view.